everyone, welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial you are going to learn how you can actually develop your own web application on structure equation and modeling. So this tutorial will help you out uh, to develop your own SEM web application without paying any penny to any external softwares which are available. So starting this web application, we need various features and capabilities that we will be actually deploying in this application. So you can see that to run this application effectively, we have to import the dataset. So that could be the first step that we need to actually make sure that our CSV and Excel files are readily available, and we can actually upload in our web page. And secondly, after the data set is uploaded, we have to make sure that data manipulation could be done, where rows and columns operation might be handled. And the third stage, we will perform the SEM analysis, do some visualization, and then finally export the results. This video will be interesting in that sense that you are not only actually going to develop this web application, but you will be able to actually deploy this web application. So this is the process where you will be uploading the data file, and then you will be able to perform the data manipulation. After performing the various operations and data cleaning, you will be able to draw the SEM result. And while performing the SEM analysis, model specification is important, where you'll be giving path variables, independent variables, dependent variables, and other path variables. So once you will be done with it, so the model will perform the various estimation, and this is will be depending upon the user choice, which parameter estimation a user wants to set. It could be a maximum likelihood method, and other estimation models are also available. And finally, model fit assessment and model modification could be done. And you can see at the bottom there are various model fit results, and these model fit results will determine the effectiveness of the results. So visualization is also very important, and where you will be seeing the SAM diagram, coefficient tables, and model fit indices. And finally, we will be able to export the results. So finally, the deployment stage, you need to use your GitHub account, where you'll be integrating your web application. And for deployment, here we are using the Vercel. And finally, once all the dependencies will be managed at Vercel, so we'll see that the final web application that you can actually share with your friends and colleagues as well. Okay, you might be wondering that if you don't have knowledge about the structural equation modeling, so what would be the effective way so that you will not miss any important concepts within this knowledge based of structured equation modeling. For that purpose, we will be using Google LLM book. So here we will be going to discover sources, and we will put the navigation of structured equation modeling, where we want to see all the web sources where the basic concepts, data preparation, advanced techniques, implementations, and common challenges are being discussed. So once you actually hit the button, so all the sources will be actually come here in their sources section. And this is the first step in order to get in detail, in depth resources that are important to be integrated in your web application. So once you are done with it, secondly, you will actually have to make sure that uh, the web application tools related with data analysis techniques such as structured equation modeling. For that purpose, we want to see all the web application tools, including LangChain, LangGraph, because we are also integrating with AI Assistant in this case. So once you hit the import button, so you will be able to import all the important web sources, including videos and other web sources which are being actually discussing about how you can actually develop data science or data analysis tools. So once you actually have this repository, so next you have to actually give a prompt here that you can see that because we want to design a web app using AI assistant. So here all the detailed instructions are given. So the idea is that how this web app should be looking like. So we want first to import CSV file. We want to manipulate the dataset once it is uploaded. So then we want to perform the SEM analysis and then model fit results. And after visualizing the results, the coefficients the results should be labeled on the web application. So once you actually run this prompt, so you will get a complete detail regarding this prompt, and obviously this uh, detail will be used to actually initialize the web application. And once it is done, you have to take this uh, response at another application. So in this case we are using the Claude. So once you actually paste the all the uh, outcome of the prompt, so you just have to ask the Claude to design a complete project framework regarding this web application. Okay, so to develop the web application, we are using v0.app, and after logging in, right? So you just have to give the basic instructions and the cloud detailed project guidelines that you have just extracted. Just paste this framework, so you can see that it's separately uploaded in this environment. So after giving the initial instructions, because you may mention your name as well, and secondly you just have to make sure that this application should intelligently manage this complete uh, web application. So you can see that just once you give uh, uh, these instructions, so automatically this software, this online application will actually follow all the instructions, and after managing all the errors and fixing automatically, it will actually come up with this application. So you can see that it's a very interesting framework. Here you can see the title of this web app, the dashboard which we want, analysis section, data reports. So initially it seems very good, and we just have to see that how this application is actually working. For that purpose, we will perform a basic test on this application. So just do it. So what we do is we just upload the data set. Here you can see that. So in that case, I am having this data set. So just open this data set. So once it is opened, you can see that this file is being displayed here. So just view the data as well. So it will show the complete data sets variables that are placed in the column side. So you know that when we perform the structure equation modeling, we are having two types of the variables, the latent and the observed. So I'm just putting a case here. I'm just taking the job satisfaction, performance, motivation, and stress variable. So just mention them the observed variable. So once you're done with the variables on which you want to perform the structure equation modeling analysis, just press the proceed. So here the next terminal is opened. So these variables are shown here that you have just selected. So now you have to make sure the path specification, and here let's see, we will build a case here. We say that the job satisfaction improve the performance. So the first path is this, so just add it. The second is uh, because we have just said that job satisfaction improve the performance, and once the performance is improved, it actually affect to the motivation. So it's a very plausible idea that we want to test here in our data set. So here you just have to bring these variables that you have just identified on which you want to perform the SEM analysis. So here you can directly select this tab, full SEM analysis, and here in this case I'm taking the maximum likelihood framework. So just run the SEM analysis here. So once you run this analysis button. So after a couple of seconds you can see that, and you can see this application is working in a very perfect way, in a very effective way. So these are the basic model fit results, because you know in the SEM, CFI, TLI, RMCE, root mean square error. So these are all parameters that are important, which determine the effectiveness of the model. So this is the table that shows the path coefficients, and both paths showing the significant results. So here the p-values, because these are less than 0.05. So both paths showing the significant results. And interestingly, you can see the descriptive analysis and as well the bar diagram. So we can make we can do this diagram more clear, and we can fix if the paths are not joined in an effective way. So uh, I think so this is one of the perfect way that actually help you to design your own data analysis files, data analysis web application. So lastly, once you download the complete PDF file, so here you can see all the results could be seen in a separate PDF file that you can actually bring into your main document where you are actually want to interpret the result. So let's see because we have integrated this application with the AI assistant. For that purpose, for example, we take this analysis results into the dashboard where we have actually having the AI assistant. So let's actually uh, paste this result and ask the chatbot how it is interpreting. So you can see here that the AI assistant is giving the commentary on the results that we have just derived. So this is one of the best way through which you can actually develop and design your own web app. And here you can see that you are making some innovation as well. You are integrating with the AI assistant as well. In the next video, we are going to see that how you can actually deploy this web application. Thank you.